going on, people? As you can see, I've had to make a new purchase. Bike Tech front paddock stand from the people at J&S. I had to buy this because the other one that I had does not fit the front forks. So for the winter prep, this was a purchase that I had to do. There's the price. What we're gonna do, set this up, then show you the end result, which hopefully will look something like this. Now, tools I have. So I might as well get this bad boy open. So, flip it around. Come on. There's the official unboxing. Nuts and bolts, they look massive. I'll take it, and this comes with no instructions. That's going to be fun. 2 of those. And that's it, box is empty. Oh, this ain't going to be too hard then. 2 of those, 1 of those, a packet of these. So let's figure this out. So let's get rid of that firstly. Let's open this backboard. Alright, so these come pre-assembled. One less thing for me to have to do. Locking pins. Same with the other one. And 2 of these bad boys. This clearly goes, and that goes there. I suppose one washer will have to go there. And the other washer goes there. And that goes that way. Just to be safe, we'll put one either side. Lock that up. Right, we've got the tools. Trusted Bosch Allen key set. Trusted Rolson set. I believe this is gonna be fits. That clearly doesn't fit. Let's try the bigger size of the 3. And that fits. Right, so that is size 6 Allen, which is probably going to be this one. Got my cameraman holding the camera for me because I can't do everything. Men, multitasking, all of that jazz. Extension, and this. And let's get rid of that. Let's put that on there. And tighten this bad boy up. Same with the other one. And there we go. That's fine. Right, these are nice and tight and snug. They're not going anywhere. These obviously will have to go on the inside here. So let's pull the pin out. And I can only measure this up once I go outside on the bike, but springs will stay on the inside. That will go there. Put it on the 2nd pin and see if that holds. So the fork will sit on there, and then same with the other one here once we put this on. Right, cameraman, can you just hold that there for a second?
Alright mate, no problem.
Right, I'm gonna leave that in now. That's him trying to be funny. Insert clip.
What a joker.
Pull the clip out. 2nd to last pins in. That's obviously spring loaded now. Put this on the floor and show you what this bad boy looks like. Right people, we have the finished product. Don't watch the sliders, but you gotta do what you gotta do. This is the finished product. A bit flimsy, but these obviously move around. And in the front, you can roll backwards and forwards. Put that down. I think what we might have to do, because this is a bit narrow, we might have to drop it 1 onto the 3rd pin and drop that onto the 3rd pin. But until I get out to the bike, we won't know. So let me get out to the bike and then we'll see how it works. Right, in that other clip, I did say it's a bit flimsy. So what I had to redo is tighten them a lot more than I did the first time round. And now it is solid. They're not going anywhere and the bike is gonna be solid on this. See, now it's not shaking. There was a lot of free play in these. So I'll just tighten them up again with this one and this one. Right people, I'm in the garage. The bike is on the rear paddock stand and off the floor, as you can see. Spin the wheel. And what we've done is, new one is in situ, and this is how it looks. It's sitting and holding onto the forks. So I didn't have to adjust these. I was right the first time round. I had them on the second hole, second pin. And same on this side, didn't have to adjust it. It was the perfect fit. But the one thing I did have to adjust, which pissed me off, OCD, and it was technically wrong. I had one pin on the inside and the nut on the outside, or vice versa. And on the other side, I had the complete reverse. So I had to redo it and make it right, aesthetically and technically. They're sorted, they're both the right way around. The bolt, or the nuts on the inside, and the nuts on the inside there. And the two Allen heads are on the outside. So this is the paddock stand for the front. And as you can see, the bike is off the floor. And here is the other paddock stand, the original one. These obviously are too narrow for the forks on this bike, so it won't fit. So that at the minute is spare. That can sit there, and while I'm here I can show you a selection of gloves. We got the Nox hand droids, proper gloves, not proper gloves, proper gloves, and another set of proper gloves. Oh, and I got another set of gloves inside the house somewhere rolling around. But yeah, there we have it. Front paddock stand sorted. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.